Well, today's kind of a weird day. We're gonna go do a construction clean and power wash in the outside of a home. We don't do much of that, so it'd be kind of a learning experience. I'm gonna take you guys along for the day. We only have one house today. Getting off early today to go pick up Aaron, who's a window cleaning Palm, in case you guys ever heard of him. And he's coming in today from Australia, so we're trying to get down around 12:30 so I can get back and get to the airport to pick him up. Come along with me today as we power wash the house, do a construction clean, and go pick up Aaron from the airport. Oh yeah, this is not my truck. My truck broke down, so I'm using my boss's truck. It's got a little bit less space, but kind of nice because it has a topper on it and a side window. Well, change of plan. There's no electric, and I brought my electric power washer, so we can't plug that in. Probably should have planned that out better. But so now we're just gonna start going on the window cleaning. Washing's back on, so we got power, and I'm not going to do much talking because we got to go, but don't ask me about any of the stuff I use because I don't know what it is, so, and don't judge my technique. Alright, let's go. Well, the pressure washing's done. Gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, so now we get to the cleaning of the windows. Done a little bit inside, up there it has been inside, so that's been good. But it's 10:30. A few more hours to go here. Got a few more hours to go here before I really have to leave. So we'll see what happens. One thing we don't do at construction cleans is we actually try to stay away from cleaning the frames because the frames can take you so much longer, so we strictly only do it on the glass, and that's it. That's just our rule. And you can really get yourself into a bind with saying you can remove everything from the frames, overspray all that stuff. Job hasn't gone quite as planned, so the garage we were supposed to do, the painters are still inside, so we can't do that, so that sucks. Power washing, I don't know what I'm doing, so it doesn't look very good, I'll be quite honest, but The guy knew that, so he's not gonna be surprised. I told him I don't know what I'm doing, so be it. Alfredo, talking to the mic.
Mic?
That's a microphone.
Oh, your microphone?
Yeah.
Oh,
Tell the people how you feel about this job.
man. It's insane. It's insane.
But I am on my way to greet Aaron, who's come all the way from Australia. House went good. Had to go back to the inside of the garage because they weren't done painting. Pressure washing. I don't know. I should have brought. Aaron's messaging me. I'm already late. That's okay though. But yeah, the pressure washing went well. Not really. I should have probably done it through an RO tank. I did it straight from the spigot. I told the guy though, we don't do this much, so we don't do it hardly at all. At the most, we like pressure wash patios and stuff like that, but it's like only a handful of times a year. Only a handful amount of times in a year. We just don't advertise for it. Not interested in it. There's tons of laws where I live about recollecting the water. It's just not something we're interested in doing, and not something interested in getting into. But I'm gonna go pick up Aaron, get him, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys say hello to everybody.
Hello.
This has been a whole day.
Oh, that is the most confusing thing ever.